Today is day 12, question words. Today's lesson is a short class on learning how to make special question sentences in Turkish. We will learn about the various question words in Turkish. Don't forget to download the cheat sheet for this lesson by visiting the link in the description below. Be a supporter member and do the exercises for this lesson. The link is in the video description below. Learn more about being a supporter member by visiting the link in the video description. As usual, try to make some question sentences with what you learned from the lesson. I'll be checking your sentences. If you're ready, let's start. Today's lesson focuses on a more basic but still important part of the Turkish language, question words. We have already seen how question sentences are formed in Turkish. There are to-be type questions, also called conditional type questions, that only use the question particle me, mu, and the question words that are used with action verbs. Let's see the list of all the question words available in Turkish. Ne, nerede, nereden, nereye, ne zaman, neden, niçin, hangi, hangisi, kim, kimin, kime, nasıl, ne kadar, ne sıklıkla, kaç tane. When making question sentences in Turkish with action verbs, most of the sentences start with an object, then the question words, and finally the action verb conjugated into the appropriate tense and the personal suffix. Bugün akşam yemeği için ne yapıyorsun? Baban işten ne zaman geldi? Arkadaşım Ahmet'in arabasını kim kullanıyor? Pazardan ne kadar elma aldın? Arabada kaç tane top var? Ne sıklıkla basketbol oynarsın? Sentences with tag questions are also frequently used in conversational Turkish. You simply add değil mi to the end of the sentence, regardless of the personal pronoun, the tense, and whether it's a positive or a negative sentence. Yarın ablam geliyor değil mi? Ödevini yapmadın değil mi? Evde dondurma var değil mi?